What's good, Dior gang? It's your girl Amari Dior, and I'm back with another video. And today's video is with FENDI. FENDI, say hi. No, get back. So my mom's in the store right now. We are going to the dog park. We couldn't bring Prada, which is our other dog. We couldn't bring her because one, she lazy. Two, it's too hot out here for her. So if y'all in Houston or in a part of Houston, y'all know it's always hot. Well, not always hot, but it's known for being hot. Oh my God, this is so annoying. There we go. Y'all don't mind my hair. Hopefully I get some braids soon or something, because all I really need to do is, I done washed my hair already, but all I need to do is just wash my hair, man. Blow dry my hair, dog. Somebody need to get me some hair, man. And all I need to do is freaking put my hair in a slick back. Then I can do that TikTok where if I put it on, it's over for y'all. But anyway, until I get my hair gonna have this bun down. Or y'all may see me in my different, but FENDI. Hi. Hi, mama. You can't come up here. Y'all should have saw her. Now she licked all over me. Y'all should have saw this girl. This girl gonna crawl all the way up here. All the way up here. I had to drag her to the back seat. But and my mama finna get up in here too. She's finna be a part of the room. So yeah.
They didn't have popcorn chips.
Which one's mine?
It don't matter.
The blue
I figured that one too.
The blue one is the best. The red is alright.
This ain't even red, this is pink.
I know. I said the red. I know. But the blue one is the best. Mom, what? You know I had to drag FENDI to the back?
Yeah, sound about right.
When you got out?
Sound
I had
right,
to drag her to the back.
Seat.
Yes, and I had to drag her to the back. And we're not that far from the dog park. It's literally right here. I thought he was going to that other dog park by our house.
There's a dog park by our house?
Well, it looked like a park.
So there's a park by our house. Not a dog park. Hello?
Hello?
Y'all between my legs right now, so don't mind that little blue thing.
I don't know what I answered the phone to, but I mean, huh?
Do I have to be kid friendly?
What are you talking about?
You have passengers. Okay. Well, should they know? When you gonna be home? Are you distributing today?
No. Well, technically.
Oh,
I'm
look
not.
how cute the little doggy is.
We'll let her go. Go ahead, ma'am.
It's so cute. But I'm gonna pick the vlog back up when we get into park. FENDI.
I don't even want to park right now. I'm gonna park way over there.
Say hi.
Say
bye bye.
Sip is, but Sip isn't at the house.
Bye, y'all.
So